Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wheel World today. We're taking an even deeper dive into the 1990s Chevrolet Bel Air, a car that captures the spirit of an era and stands as a testament to classic American design. This review will cover everything from its styling and performance to the story behind its enduring legacy. The exterior of the 1990 Bel Air holds a timeless appeal. With its clean lines, subtle curves, and that iconic dark wine red finish, it exudes confidence without screaming for attention. The chrome accents and carefully placed trim give it an air of elegance reminiscent of its earlier models. Yet it carries a modern twist that hints at the innovations of the late 80s and early 90s. Every detail from the shape of the headlights to the design of the tail fins speaks of a commitment to quality craftsmanship. Under the hood, the Bel Air offers a choice between a V6 and a small block V8 engine. While it might not be built for high-speed thrills, its engine delivers a balanced performance that makes it perfect for cruising. The car's suspension system has been tuned for comfort, ensuring that every drive is smooth, even on less than perfect roads. The engine note, a deep and resonant tone, is like music to any Chevy enthusiast's ears, reminding us of the golden days of American muscle. Inside the cabin, the Bel Air embraces a minimalist yet comfortable design. The analog gauges, classic steering wheel, and well-crafted dashboard harken back to a simpler time when driving was as much about the experience as it was about getting from point A to point B. The seats are designed for long journeys, offering ample space and support. Even though the interior lacks the high-tech features of today's vehicles, there's a certain charm in its simplicity that many drivers find refreshing. One of the most compelling reasons to appreciate the 1990 Chevrolet Bel Air is its historical significance. As one of the final iterations of a model that has defined American car culture, this vehicle is more than just transportation. It's a piece of history. It represents a bridge between the classic designs of the past and the technological advancements of its time, making it a rare find for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Driving this car feels like stepping back in time. The balance between its smooth ride and the nostalgic ambiance creates an experience that is both relaxing and evocative. Every journey in the Bel Air is a reminder of the rich heritage of American automotive design, offering a unique blend of comfort, style, and performance. If you're a fan of classic cars, or if you simply appreciate the craftsmanship and history that goes into vehicles like the 1990 Chevrolet Bel Air, then this review is for you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us about your experiences with vintage Chevys, or what you love most about the era of classic American cars. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more deep dives into automotive legends.